Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are taking you to the archaeological complex of Polonnaruwa. Now we are at the entrance. First we are taking you to a special building. This is called the Satmahal Prasada, 7-story tower. Satmahal Prasada belongs to the 12th century. It is believed to be a stupa because it is in a Buddhist environment. Now we are heading to Vatadage. This ancient building was built for the protection of a small stupa. It is believed to have been built during the region of Parakramabahu I to hold the relic of the tooth of the Buddha, or during the region of Nissanka Malla of Polonnaruwa to hold the alms bowl used by the Buddha. Both these venerated relics would have given the structure a great significance and importance at the time. Located within the ancient city of Polonnaruwa, it is the best preserved example of a watadage in the country. This structure has 2 stone platforms decorated with elaborate stone carvings. The lower platform is entered through a single entrance facing the north, while the second platform can be accessed through 4 doorways facing the 4 cardinal points. The upper platform, surrounded by a brick wall, contains the stupa. 4 Buddha statues are seated around it, each facing one of the entrances. 3 concentric rows of stone columns had also been positioned here, presumably to support a wooden roof. The entire structure is decorated with stone carvings. Some of the carvings at the Polonnaruwa Vatadage, such as its Sandakadapahana, are considered to be the best examples of such archaeological features. However, theories vary among archaeologists and historians regarding who built the Polonnaruwa Vatadage and when. After leaving this sacred place, now we are heading to hetadage. This building was built by King Nissanka Malla and had been used to keep the relic of the tooth of the Buddha. The hetadage had been built using stone, brick and wood. Only parts of the brick and stone walls now remain. It appears to have been a 2-story structure, but the upper story has now been destroyed. 3 Buddha statues carved out of granite rock are located within a chamber of the shrine. Now you are seeing another unique structure. This is called Nissanka Malla. This was built by King Nissanka Malla. A nearby stone inscription identifies this as the building used by Nissanka Malla to listen to Pirit. The structure is an elevated stone platform with a number of stone columns and surrounded by a low stone wall. These stone columns are the unique feature about the Nissanka Malla, since they are carved in a manner that is found nowhere else in the country. Now we are entering to thuparamaya. The walls and the roof of thuparamaya have been completely built out of bricks without using wood, and therefore known as a gedige type image house. You can enjoy a video on another gedige situated in the center of Sri Lanka. We'll attach the link below. However, in Polonnaruwa there are 3 of this type: thuparamaya pilimage, Lanka pilimage and Thivanka pilimage. According to Senrat Parnavitana, the walls of thuparamaya pilimage are thick and hence the internal space of the shrine is small in comparison with the outward size of the building. The walls of this building are about 7 feet thick. And here inside a large seating Buddha statue has been kept. However, nothing's remained there. It is said that the eyes of this Buddha statue was embedded with precious stones. And the windows were designed in such a manner the sunlight would reflect on these stones and light the image house. I hope you can see the shine of these remaining statues. So as usual, at the end of this video, we all invite you to visit this place and have this experience. Thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel.